In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay as a payment option on your Samcart checkout pages. Offering Afterpay can help your customers pay in installments and boost your sales. Let's get started. First, log in to your Samcart dashboard. From the main menu, go to Settings and then click on Payment Gateways. Samcart supports Stripe and PayPal, so to use Afterpay, you'll need to connect your Stripe account because Afterpay is available through Stripe. If you haven't linked Stripe yet, click Connect Stripe and follow the prompts to log in or create a Stripe account. Once Stripe is connected, make sure Afterpay, also known as ClearPay, is enabled in your Stripe payment methods. You can do this by logging into Stripe and enabling Afterpay in the Payment Methods section under Settings. Back in Samcart, Afterpay will now show up as a payment option on your checkout pages where Stripe is enabled. Test your checkout to ensure Afterpay appears and works properly. That's how you add Afterpay on Samcart using Stripe. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more easy payment tips. Thanks for watching.